Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's about DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So you don't know, you see the settings you wagwan already, you kinda depend on different settings, you see me with the outside. Outside. Is it kinda quarantine. Well, I need for quarantine, but I can't quarantine, so I quarantine out in my yard. You see me? But today, I want to talk about Vybz Kartel being one step closer to getting his case heard by the Privy Council. And me I tell you, say, it's a good look for Gaza Nation and good look for the whole of dancehall right now. Because the whole of dancehall wants the cartel free now. All the people them who go on like say them don't want the cartel free, them really want the cartel free. You see me? So the fans them over the side there, them want the cartel free. The Gaza fans them want the cartel free. Only a few little haters right now don't want to see Vybz Kartel, the world boss, free. You get me I say? So me I go read the little article here. So the article said, dancehall star Vybz Kartel and his co-accused have been granted leave to appeal the murder conviction against them in the UK-based Privy Council. The judgment granting them leave to appeal was handed down this morning in the Court of Appeal. And you know, say right now me I did a video a Friday, so early in the Friday morning it happened, and everybody happy, everybody glad to see this. You see me? All I pray say the process go on. All I pray say yo Vybz Kartel and in co-accused them, you know, say Sean Storm, Andre St. John and one them in a prison with him. Just go and hold it down. You see me? And me I pray say everything work out the way how them want it to work out. You see me? Freedom is a must for Gaza Nation right now. And a long time I don't really do a video like this, you know. You get what me I say? Actually, hold the camera going. Yeah, shake the camera. Too much. So we pray say everything work out for Vybz Kartel, you see me? And we never have to expose the situation right now. Like how I do this video. This morning we hear breaking news that a JDF soldier was shot and later died. You see me? I don't know whether them shot him or nothing like that, but him go up on a raid and them thing there, you see me? Some ganja raid of the sort, and him pick up couple binds and he end up dead. I want to say RIP to that soldier. May I pray and say yo them family just go and take it easy and them thing there. I don't want nobody forward in the comment section and come talk about them know him sign up for X, Y and Z. No, a life lost and we don't like them thing there. You see me? We don't like when no life lost. Whether it be regular civilian, police or soldier. We don't want no life lost them way there. We just want to say alright to the brother. You see me? I hear a bag of people talk a bag of things, but I just that alone me have to say. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way. Say any other way or the wrong way. I'm gone.